First song that we played, medyo pa-attention, wala pang rehearsal masyado. But I think it's very apt for you kasi bagay na bagay dahil parang butterfly ka talaga. When you started, cocoon, caterpillar, and then now you're blooming into your personality, talent, and the beauty is extraordinary.
Thank you. It's actually one of my favorite songs nowadays.
Butterfly.
Yeah, Butterfly.
Why is that?
Kasi parang ganun din yung feeling ko eh. Cause ako naman siguro, with my career and kasi before I was really young and syempre pag nag-umpisa ka pala ng this business, parang feeling mo nobody really listens to you, so parang kailangan kapag ka lang, whatever they tell you kung anong gagawin mo, yung gagawin mo. But nowadays, I'm given a chance to spread my wings and, do things.
Fly.
And do the things that I've always wanted to do before, like directing my own shows, conceptualizing my own shows, plus now I'm directing my own videos, so it's really great. That's one of my favorites.
I read somewhere that Miss Nadica, you can now wake up in the morning and, you're so sure of yourself now you can actually leave your singing career behind. When did this feeling begin? Kailan ka namulat sa umagang ganun?
Because I saw that, kasi ngayon, mas I can say na mas fulfilled na ako as an artist. Kasi nga, I was able to do all the things I've always wanted to do. I'm given a chance na, kumbaga. So, kung today, babawin sa akin yung talent na pinahiram ni God, I'd be fine. Kasi,
you've done what you can.
Nagawa ko na yung mga gusto kong gawin.
You've given showbiz with it, what you can give it, and it's given you what it can.
A lot of things.
A lot of things. Now this next song, actually I just heard it on the radio. So
I didn't even know you played the piano.
Well, neither did I. So here we go. This is one of your, no, the other one. Yung kanta mo for theme song ng movie.
Diba ang ganda ko? Hindi ko alam kung ano hello!
Yung ka talaga. Here we go. One more time. From your theme song ng movie One Perfect Mother.
Yeah, One Perfect Mother. My very first full-length movie.
Na starring ka talaga, di ba? Well, you haven't been doing movies lately. Why is that? Bakit ka parang iwas sa mga pelikula ngayon?
Hindi naman. Kaya lang wala lang. Kasi lately I've been doing mga shows abroad. Hindi kasi naman ilang pero mga shows abroad na tsaka masyado akong madaming nasagutan kasi this year, that's why I was not able to do another movie, but I'm supposed to do another movie next year.
Ano yung theme naman ng movie na yun?
Wala pa, we're still fixing it. Hindi ko pa rin alam kung sino yung makakasama ko. So,
kung ganito sabi natin yung first movie mong Perfect Mother, your sister Kaka is about to become a mother.
She gave birth!
She's a mother na pala. I'm sorry. She gave birth. When did she give birth?
Like 3 days ago.
Congratulations, Kakay. Since you on the show a few months ago.
Yeah.
So, anyway, wala ka bang nakakamdaman na gusto mo rin maging mother? To put it subtly.
Ha? Parang,
Pero siyempre, asawa muna.
siguro kailangan mo na maghanap ng boyfriend. At maghanap ng asawa.
So, ang sinasabi mo ngayon ay available ka. Mga lalaki. Available daw si Regine. Saan sila mag-assign ng mga application?
Sana. Hindi, parang parang, kasi actually two of my sisters just got married. The other one gave birth and the other one just
Just gave birth 2 days ago.
So, dalawa na yung nasa ng tatay ko. Kaya, okay na ako kasi at least hindi na nila ako.
Okay na muna. Break muna, break. Now, okay, we'll go on to our next song.
Okay.
And ito, I'm sure very special to. Pero tutulong muna natin para sa mga kaibigan natin manonood.
Okay.
Brings back, I'm sure, ang dami-daming memories. Dahil ng kantang ginamit mo, when was this, 1986?
1984.
84. How many years ago yun? Math ko. Basta na. 12, 13, 14.
14 years.
14 years.
14 years. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Biglang nagkaroon ng realization
Parang
na.
ako, 14 years and very minute. Hi. Yun yung pinanalo ko sa Ang Bagong Kampiyon.
Ang Bagong Kampiyon, right?
And I was so young then. 13 yung ako.
13. Akala mo ba nun na magiging Asia Songbird ka?
Hindi ko alam na magiging ipon pa ako. No, I dreamt of this, of course. Pero pag kayo nandiyan na kasi yung dreams mo, parang, is this really happening to me? So, parang,
when did we start calling you Asia Songbird? Do you remember?
I don't remember it anymore. Pero, very flattering sa akin yung title niya. Pero lang, meron din nakakatakot na part kasi parang to live up to everybody's expectation.
Did you feel any pressure, parang medyo, nung tinawag ang Asia Songbird, you won an international competition, diba? Hindi may pressure ba na malaki nun?
Malaki yung pressure kasi nga parang you have to all be good. Parang kung hindi.
But actually, naapektan niya ako sa isang nabasa ko sa tabloid. May nakalagay doon na parang pinalikuran mo ba yung pagiging probinsyano mo, which you were so proud of before daw.
I am so proud of it.
Well, for those who are yung mga bata na ngayon medyo malaki na, tell them where you came from. Tell them exactly what.
Galing po ako sa Bulacan. I still live there. Doon pa rin ako nakatira. Sa taga-Bulacan po ako. But actually, hindi talaga kami tubong Bulacan. Ang mami ko from Leyte and my father's from Manila talaga. Tapos doon kami nag-settle. So, balik din talaga ako bumiti. And doon ako nag-start, doon ako nag-join ng mga amateur singing contest.
Struggling singer pa naman.
Struggling. Sobrang struggling. Wala akong pambili shampoo.
Ayun. Ngayon, pag-usapan lang natin yung mahilig ka mag-drawing ng mata. I read somewhere. Is that true?
Yeah.
Mata.
I still do that. Nag-drawing pa lang. Usually, mostly mga dinadrawing ko mga face ng mga babae.
Babae?
Kasi mag-softer yung lines sa pag-drawing. And then, I love to, kunwari upo ako sa isang restaurant, kakain kami. Pag tayo ko kami,
So, magtataka yung waiter, bakit yung mata dito?
may mata na yun.
So, what is it about the eyes? I mean, I'm sure that people call it yung tawag din ng mirror of the soul and this and that. Pero for you, ano yung special meaning ng mata?
Actually, yun din.
Okay ba mata ka?
Oo, okay.
Pwede na, okay. Pero hindi pala drawing.
Pwede.
Pwede. Hindi na yung mag-drawing session ko naman. But what is it about eyes? Ano yung tungkol sa mata na?
Kasi yung eyes na, parang kahit isang eye lang yung i-draw mo, you can already see the emotions, kung anong emotions ka. Kaya, kung malungkot,
Lungkot.
pwede mo na makita agad. Hindi ka gaya ko ngayon. Mag-emotion ng most.
Okay, emotion mo. Ikatanong mo. Emotion. Pinag-usapan na natin yung pagdodrawing. Yung title ng album mong bago, after how many years? 3 years, I think.
3 years.
Since your last one. Ang pangalan ay Drawn.
Drawn.
Bakit Drawn? Drawn to what? Or drawn? Be knowing?
Double meaning actually. Hopefully drawn to me.
Well, of
And to
course.
my music, hopefully. And actually I thought of the title because I wanted the album na makover sa one of my drawings. Because I wanted to share naman my undershirt.
Hindi yung mga mata mo.
Hindi, it's a whole face actually.
Buong mukha.
Buong mukha siya.
Yung
And
model na for that face.
ang model ko actually si Winona Ryder, pero hindi ko naging kamukha.
Kami ka hindi mo.
Nakala.
Siguro yung Weaver.
Medyo. Pero bali yun, kaya siya tinawag talagang drums because of the drawing.
Yung drawing.
Yung cover mismo.
Well, your last album, Retro. This album naman, may mga remix ka, diba?
Yeah, it's a concept album and most of the songs I recorded there are all old songs. So this time I'm very happy because finally nakapag-record ako ng mostly originals naman. I still have my mga revivals kasi usang-usang ngayon yun.
Why is that? Why do you think usong mga revival ngayon? For upcoming stars, for stars who've been there for so long, singers who've been there for so long?
Alam mo,
Parang
actually,
revival.
alam ko lang nalaman na, kasi nga yung bagong generation yun, they don't even know na yung mga songs na yun nag-exist. So it's good also that yung mga beautiful old songs before being pang-revive nowadays. Kasi maganda, tsaka ang gaganda talaga kasi ng mga songs na yun. Not saying that wala nang lumalabas ng maganda.
Kasi minsan masasabing medyo adulterated ng kasi high-tech na
Wala na
natural feel.
So, but unlike before, kaya nga siguro that's one of the reasons why marami din nililibig na songs.
What's one of your favorite songs in this new album of yours?
The single, How Could You Leave?
How Could You? Can you sing us a few bars quickly
Sure.
without me playing the piano? A cappella.
On this morning, just thinking about your smile, I feel in my dreams, how you complete me. Thank you.
So, ayan po. Yan ang kantang kailangan abangan po ninyo sa next album. Invite them to the launching of your album, please.
Yes, inilaunch ko po yung album ko formally sa FM natin na HM at 4 p.m. And I'm going to be singing some of the songs from the album entitled Drawn. So sana po magkita-kita tayo. And I'm also going to be one of the guests in session and company. It's called the Recycle. So sana magkita-kita tayo November 20 and 21. And I'm also going to have my own show. It's also entitled Drawn on November 27, 28 and December 4 and 5 at the Music Museum. So I'm inviting you
I'll make it.
to watch the show. So I hope you'll be there.
Eugene, before anything else, gusto ko kang pasalamatan dahil I'm actually a fan of yours, of your music, of your songs, and malaking karangalan po na may kasama tayo ngayong hapon for me to play, for you to sing.
Thank you for playing the piano.
Mga kaibigan, Eugene Velasquez, Face of Song Girl. Good luck to your career. Dami po tayo ulit.
So